Good morning, Fishing Brews. It is Oscar Del Rio coming at you with a video over here. I have always wanted to have a coffee out on the river, but the problem is I can only stop at Tim Hortons or one of those coffee shops on the side of the road on my way to the river or on my way to the lake, and that's the only place I have to make coffee. So I have purchased some apparatuses, contraptions, if you will, and I am going to try to make some coffee out on the river. Can I make it happen? I don't know. Let's see.
This is what I live for. This is like the greatest. This is the greatest stuff, man. Ah. No, I'm snagged. I'm snagged. Please don't. Unsnag. It's a $4 fly. Ah, damn it. It isn't just the $4 fly though. It's like setting up and then resetting up, and then that's the stuff that just kills it. All right, I might go in there and just I do not want to reset up my whole thing. Do I risk it? That looks pretty deep. Look at these rapids. Do I risk it? Do I not risk it? What do I do? Ah, I'm so confused. Can I reach in there is the question. I mean, I got the waders for it. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is pretty deep. I'm going back. I am gonna have to just lose my fly and suck it up. Oh man. Oh, I got it back. Please tell me it's on there. Please tell me it's on there. Yes. Yes. I hope you can see that. Okay, Fishing Brews, we've been fishing all day, but this video isn't about fishing. This video is whether I can make coffee on the river or not. I had my coffee on the way here, but like I said before, I've wanted coffee while I was on the river. I've went to fix that problem. I'm going to fix that problem. Let's see what happens. I've bought some contraptions. I'd love to show them to you. Check this out. This is a Stanley 2-cup, and it's a 2-cup something. 2 cups of coffee, 2 cups of water. All it said was the Stanley 2-cup. So I'm going to use the Stanley 2-cup, and I'm going to heat it up on kablamo. This is the Lixada. It's the backpack fire stove. I am not being paid for any of this stuff. I just wanted to do a quick review of this because this thing's awesome. I saw it used on somebody's video and I was like, you know what? I gotta have myself one of those. I'm always on the river. I always want coffee, and I'm never close to a Tim Hortons while I'm on the river. That makes sense, right? Okay, we're gonna see how well this works. I'm gonna put it to the test. Can I make coffee? We're gonna find out. Can I make coffee? I don't know. I don't know. Fishing Brews, we're about to find out if I can make coffee. So the first thing you got to do when you're starting any fire, I would assume, is get kindling. In my particular case, I was able to find some birch bark, and that is particularly good because birch bark has some natural oils in there that I can use, and it works excellent for kindling. So let's see what happens here. Excellent. Awesome. All right, we got that going. Wow, that works perfect. Okay. What?
Okay.
So, geez, I probably should have done this before. Yep, definitely should have done this before. Okay, that is super hot. And I am a moron for not putting, that thing in first. I'm gonna see if I can. Okay. You live and you learn. Ingenuitive. Okay. This here. Nope. Wow, that is super hot, guys. I know I can do this. I know I can do this. See if this helps. Yeah, I can pick it up. Ow! Oh! Ow. Ow! Keep burning myself. I keep burning myself. Does he wait until it cools down? No, of course not. That would be too easy and far too safe. That's not gonna work. I think the leaf idea was probably the best thing to do. Ow! Ow! I see what the problem is. There we go. All right. All right. Fixed. And the flame is out. So I'm gonna have to get the flame going again. Let's do this. This is 500 milliliters of water. Set that right. Nice little wind protector I got there. Essentially what I did was I went to Walmart and you know those things that those disposable trays. So I got one of those disposable trays. I just flattened it out. Flatten the bejeebers out of it. Are we there yet? Oh, it's bubbling. It's bubbling. It's great. It's only been a few minutes and it's already bubbling. That's what I want to see. Well, I want to show you. I want to show you guys. It's only been a few minutes and the water's starting to boil. See it there? I want to keep my, woo, those flames. Oh, it gets warm. I just want to say before we start this, before I show you the mix, I take my coffee black. I like my coffee black. That's the way I normally like it. However, I was a little unprepared, so I didn't have just the black mix. So what I did get was this single serving where you add 245 milliliters. So it's gonna be a little bit watery because I put in 500 milliliters and I know that now. Could I dump out water? Yeah, I could. Do I want to? I kind of want to try it like this because I feel like this is really, like it's a lot. It looks like it's rich, like it's a lot of powder in here. So I am going to, I'm gonna just dump this in, the whole thing. I am going to let the fire go out because it is no longer necessary, and I will show you guys what's up. So this is by the way, this is Nescafe sweet and creamy mocha, sweet and creamy mocha. And you know, if I had to pick something, I guess it was going to be this one. They also had French vanilla, and they had their original, but original is supposed to be black. It's just, that's original coffee. It's just the bean in hot water. That's it. Original, black. But no, they had to go and be fancy and make it with cream. I'm about that life. I take my coffee black. It's the way I do it. No, I don't hate my life. I like my coffee black. That's how I roll. Okay. Okay, here we go. That water is piping. You guys see that? I probably should have listened to the instructions. It does look a little watery. It is what it is. You live and you learn. Oh, there goes. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, let's see this. Let's try this bad boy out. Okay. Okay, so when you buy those Stanley, when you get those Stanley containers, they give you a couple of these cups. Really solid plastic, feels really nice in the hand. It's like a matte kind of to the touch. So I'm gonna pour some of this out so that I'm not burning my lip skin. And this is good for two people. Now, I have already tasted this, so I could probably tell you that probably should have used 2 packets because it's good. It is good, but I probably should have followed the instructions. Used half the bottle. I put the whole bottle in and only one of those servings in. So, lesson learned there. It's learning day today, and well, it looks like I'm able to make coffee in the wild. So, I'm really stoked about that. And thanks for watching my video, guys. You guys are the best. And please stay tuned for the next one. Get out here!